Someone gets close to you and your whole body says, run. Not because you don't want them, because something deeper than wanting has already made the decision for you. You've done this before, maybe last week. Someone said something kind, genuinely kind, and instead of letting it land, you went cold, changed the subject, started a fight over nothing, or just disappeared. Stopped texting back, let the silence stretch until they got the message. And here's what keeps you up at night. You watched yourself do it. Like you were standing outside your own body screaming, "Stop, they're not the enemy." But your hands were already building the wall. This isn't a personality flaw. This is a biological security system installed in you before you had any say in the matter. It has a name most therapists won't use with you: neuroception, your nervous system's invisible threat scanner. But here's the problem for trauma survivors specifically. Yours is miscalibrated. And there's a second mechanism underneath it that's even harder to catch, the dorsal vagal shutdown, that I'll come back to. When I explain what it actually does to your body during intimacy, it's going to reframe every relationship you've ever sabotaged. Your amygdala, the brain's smoke detector, learned its job during the years when you were most defenseless. And it learned one rule: closeness precedes pain. Not sometimes, every time. A parent who ran hot and cold, a home where love came with conditions that changed without warning, a person who was supposed to be safe but became the source of danger. So your amygdala wrote a survival equation: proximity plus vulnerability equals incoming damage. And that equation fires 400 milliseconds before your conscious brain registers what's happening. You're not choosing to push people away. Your threat detection system is pulling the fire alarm in a building that isn't burning, but it doesn't know that. It's still reading the old blueprints. Now, that dorsal vagal response I mentioned, this is the part nobody talks about. When your sympathetic nervous system floods you with fight or flight, but you can't fight and you can't flee because the threat is someone you love, your body plays its last card. The dorsal vagal complex triggers a shutdown, emotional flatline. You go numb. Not angry, not sad, not in love, just gone. And your partner sees it on your face, that blank stare, that sudden absence behind your eyes. They say, "Where did you go?" And you can't answer because biologically, you left. Your nervous system collapsed you into a freeze state to survive a danger that ended years ago. This is where the real damage lives. Every time you shut down, your partner encodes a memory: they don't want me. Every time you disappear, the person reaching for you learns to stop reaching. And then the very thing your nervous system was trying to prevent, abandonment, becomes the thing it engineers. Your amygdala was trying to protect you from loss, but it built a pattern that guarantees it. But here's what your nervous system doesn't know yet: it can be rewritten. Neuroplasticity doesn't stop in childhood. Stephen Porges' research on polyvagal theory shows the ventral vagal pathway, the one responsible for safe social connection, can be strengthened at any age. Not by forcing yourself to stay when your body screams leave, by building micro-moments of co-regulation. 10 seconds of sustained eye contact with a safe person. One honest sentence: "I'm shutting down right now, and it's not about you." Each one is a rep, and each rep teaches your amygdala a new equation: closeness plus this person equals survival. You're not broken for pushing people away. You're running software written to keep a child alive, and it worked. The question is whether you'll let that old code write the rest of your story. If this felt like someone finally named what you've been carrying, this channel is where your biology stops being a mystery. What's one relationship you think your nervous system sabotaged before you could?